Here is a quick video showing how you can use Polytomic to enrich the companies in your HubSpot instance with data from Harmonic. Now, your first order of business will be connecting Polytomic to Harmonic using your supplied Harmonic API key. Once done with that, we can go into models, and the first step is to set up data models. What we're going to do is surface fields from our own systems that we'd like to then sync to HubSpot. In this case, of course, Harmonic is the system we'd like to grab fields from. And so we can click Add Model, pick the source connection. In this case, our source will be Harmonic. And we're going to call this model Company Enrichment Data. And our source will be Harmonic's Enrich Companies source. Now we will then return all the fields for companies from Harmonic. Every field has a name, and you can pick and choose any fields to surface and thus make available for syncing to other systems like HubSpot. Now in this case, I'm going to just grab all the fields here just to make them available for syncing and click Save. Right, so here we've surfaced a bunch of company fields from Harmonic. Now, because this is an enrichment use case where we only want to enrich companies in our HubSpot instance, we're going to build another data model here. We're going to surface the HubSpot domain, the domain of each company in our HubSpot instance. And so let's call this HubSpot company domains. And the object in question will be companies. And we'll go to the company domain name field and pick that. And then what we'll do is we'll join this to our Harmonic model. So we'll pick company domain name, and we're going to join it to the Harmonic website domain from our Harmonic data model here. Now, what are we actually doing here? What we're doing is building a combined data set, right? We're establishing a bridge between our HubSpot and Harmonic using the company domain as a common field between the two. Once this bridge is established and we click Save, then through these two data models, what we've really done is built a combined data set behind the scenes. We've taken all our HubSpot domains, all the companies that exist in our HubSpot instance, we've taken their domains, and now we have a combined data set of all domains in our HubSpot instance matched, automatically matched with every single company in Harmonic. Where there's a corresponding match, all the fields will be filled in. And so using this combined data set, right, HubSpot domains plus all the company enrichment data from Harmonic, we can now go into model syncs and create a sync into our HubSpot instance. Pick our target to be HubSpot companies. And the sync will be an update or create one. And then for identity mapping, now all an identity mapping is a common field between the two systems. So on the left-hand side, it's these models we've just built, really our combined universe of data. On the right-hand side, it's all the fields on our HubSpot instance. And remember, we're syncing to companies here. So it's all the company fields. Really, the identity is just a match key on both sides. And so what we'll do is we'll actually take the HubSpot company domain from the Polytomic universe. And really, this is the Polytomic universe, meaning it's HubSpot domain names plus Harmonic data is our combined universe here, as you can see. So we'll grab the HubSpot domain name from the Polytomic universe and map it to the actual domain name on our HubSpot instance. And now once we've done that, we can now map whichever fields we want from Harmonic. And so we can, for example, grab company name, for example, map the legal name into the HubSpot name field. Let's see, company name down here. We could pick any other field as well, right? We can grab the description field from Harmonic, map it to the description field in HubSpot, and really so on. You could just go on and map whatever fields you want. And then anytime a domain match is established, the data will be automatically enriched. And otherwise, you can even actually restrict your enrichment with conditions. And so maybe, for example, you only want to sync, or rather enrich, companies that have received a funding total of, for example, greater than, say, $100,000 or whatever it is. You can set some filters for numbers, other ones for dates, other ones for text, as you see fit. I won't set any here. Otherwise, you can click continue. Again, set a sync schedule. Straightforward here. All you need to do is pick an option. This could be manual, where the enrichment happens every time you click a button. Continuous, near real-time enrichment, anytime Harmonic's data updates. Or pick these other structured options here. We'll have this happen on an hourly basis. Let's say 30 minutes on the hour. Hit continue. Verify a summary of your mappings here. If all looks okay, click save in the top right. And here we could run a test sync, which would enrich 5 random records in HubSpot, or we'll just enable the sync, and that's it. The run will kick in shortly, and now it's running on a schedule. And you can now walk away knowing that everything in your HubSpot will always be automatically enriched with everything in Harmonic.